Welcome. I am Jagadish. Here my case study is what is cluster architecture. In cluster architecture, requested are parts of the user requesting are dividing among two or more computer systems such that a single user requested is handled and delivered by two or more than two nodes computer system. The benefits is unquestionable, the ability of load balancing and high available. How if one node fails, the requested is handled by another node, hence there are less or negligible connection of the computer system fails. Clustering, dipping deeper into the concept, the reason why some computer applications and needs clustering to support their functionalities in is the nature of the jobs they are performing, just like the level of productivity requesting from computer operating a scientific or research team is different from those are functional or IT compression. Mostly the clustering are requested when their service to be delivered is highly critical and must be made available or processed as fast as possible. Now that you know what clustering are and why do computer system need clustering architecture, let's move on to our next section which explain the major types of clustering and their benefits. What are the major types of clustering? Clustering itself is a very comprehensive teams includes multiple tiers and structures depending upon the needs of system. Here we will be taking about three types of clustering: computing athletics, failover clustering, high performance clustering, load balancing clustering. Failover high availability clustering, we all know that the computer is basically a machine which can stop working at less accepting time. So how do system administrator manage such failure and fix such an issue? Here the role of failuring or high availability clustering comes into existing. Such types of clustering maintains the service availability by a replicating service and redundant software and hardware reconfiguration. High performance clustering, as the name suggests, the objective behind forming high performance clustering is to be delivered high performing computer system. They run parallel programs that are required for the time existing computation. Such kind of clustering are commonly preferred by the scientific industries. The base aim of high performing clustering is the increasing performance by intelligent sharing the workload. That is the why they are used by life science research industries, redundantly services, etc. Load balancing crystalline. Such type of crystalline works on the ideal of distributing load among different services. They aim to provide an increasing network capacity, evenly increase the performance of the system intelligence. There are nodes with the help of which user requested are evenly distributed across the participating nodes. It does not mean that the system is working together, rather it's directly requested individually as the rises e-commerce business and internet services providing such loads balancing crystalline to manage user requested and delivery high performance. Thank you.